Imagine you're trying to protect your privacy online. You've decided to use a temporary phone number for your online activities. But now you're ready to delete it. How do you do that? Let's find out. Ever felt like your online privacy was a delicate glass? Using a temporary number can be like adding a protective layer. But what happens when you're ready to take it off? Ooma is a popular choice for temporary phone numbers. They offer a convenient way to keep your personal number private while still being able to receive calls and texts. But just like anything else, there might come a time when you want to delete your Ooma temporary number. The problem: deleting an Ooma temporary number isn't as straightforward as pressing a delete button. It involves a few steps, and if you're not familiar with the process, it can be a bit confusing. The solution: don't worry, we're here to guide you through the process. In this video, we'll break down the steps into simple, easy-to-follow instructions. Step-by-step guide. Log in to your Ooma account. The first step is to access your Ooma account. Open your web browser and go to the Ooma website. Enter your login credentials and click Sign In. Navigate to your temporary number. Once you're logged in, you'll need to find the temporary number you want to delete. Look for the section that lists your active numbers. Locate the temporary number and click on it. Access the number settings. Clicking on the temporary number will take you to its settings page. Here, you'll find various options related to your number. Find the delete option. Look for a button or link labeled delete, cancel, or something similar. This option should be located somewhere on the settings page. Confirm the deletion. Once you click on the delete option, Ooma might prompt you to confirm your decision. This is to prevent accidental deletions. Carefully review the confirmation message and click delete or confirm to proceed. Verify deletion. After confirming the deletion, Ooma should provide a message indicating that your temporary number has been successfully removed. To verify, try calling or texting the number. If you can't reach it, the deletion was successful. Additional tips. Back up your contacts. Before deleting your temporary number, it's a good idea to back up any important contacts associated with it. This will help you avoid losing valuable information. Consider deactivation. If you might need your temporary number again in the future, you might want to consider deactivating it instead of deleting it. Deactivation usually preserves your number, allowing you to reactivate it later. Contact Ooma support. If you encounter any difficulties or have questions during the deletion process, don't hesitate to contact Ooma's customer support. They can assist you and provide further guidance. Deleting your Ooma temporary number is a simple process once you know the steps. By following the guide we've provided, you can easily remove your number and protect your privacy. Do you have any questions about deleting your Ooma temporary number? Leave a comment below, and we'll do our best to help you out. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.